In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Squarespace website to your Facebook business page. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end, you'll have both platforms working together seamlessly. Now, let's dive into it. The first step is to open your website. Make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and head over to your site's dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once there, you'll need to look for the settings. The settings section is your gateway to customizing your website and integrating it with other tools and platforms. Now, within the settings menu, you should find an option called third-party tools. This is an important menu because it allows you to connect your Squarespace site with external services. Go ahead and click on it to explore more options. Inside third-party tools, you'll then see connected accounts. Click on that, and it will lead you to the section where you can manage any existing connections as well as add new ones. It's time to connect your Facebook business page. So, let's move forward. You will notice a button or link that says Connect Account. Click on this. Here, Squarespace will show you a list of available platforms that you can integrate with your website. Scroll until you find Facebook. Once spotted, select it as your platform of choice. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account. Make sure you're using the account associated with your business page. This step ensures that the correct page is linked to your Squarespace site. If you are already logged into Facebook on your browser, it should take you straight to the necessary approval screens. Otherwise, input your login information to proceed. After logging in, follow the prompts displayed on your screen. These prompts are designed to guide you through the process of securely connecting your accounts. Make sure to read through permissions and confirm the correct Facebook business page you want to link to your Squarespace site. This step is crucial in ensuring that you're connecting the right account. Once you've followed these on-screen instructions, you should receive a confirmation that your Squarespace website is now successfully linked to your Facebook business page. This integration will allow you to share content seamlessly and expand your audience reach. Congratulations! You've now connected your Squarespace website with your Facebook business page, paving the way for more integrated online engagement. Whether you're sharing updates, driving traffic to your site, or boosting your online presence, this connection will make managing your online presence much more efficient. Thanks for following along, and stay tuned for more tutorials and guides to help you optimize your business tools.